In today's video, I'm going to show you how to play chess on Duolingo. So first, open up your Duolingo app and of course, make sure that you're logged into your account and that the app is updated to the latest version. New features like chess are usually rolled out gradually. Then next, from your dashboard, look at the flag at the top left corner of your screen, and here you'll see an access to the chess feature. But from the latest version of Duolingo, you can easily access chess by clicking on this icon with a character on it. So all you have to do is click on this and click on Start Learning. Duolingo might ask you how much chess do you know, so just select the best option for you, then continue. And here you will be asked if you want to start from scratch or find your level. And from here, all you have to do is follow all the on screen prompts as Duolingo teaches you chess step by step, starting with basic moves and simple challenges. And as you progress, you'll unlock more lessons and play against the app in short interactive matches. Now, if you don't see the chess feature yet, you don't have to worry because it might just be not available in your region or version yet. So just keep your app updated. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video, and I'll see you again on the next one. Bye.